Hello students, today you are going to learn 2nd standard term 2 maths unit 2. The topic of this unit is numbers. Come, let's get into the session. Today we are going to see the second unit. The topic of this unit is numbers. In this unit you are going to learn about the comparison and formation of numbers, ordering of numbers and number name. First, we are going to see the comparison and formation of numbers. You have already learned about comparing numbers in the term 1. That is, we compare the two numbers and we will find which one is bigger, smaller or equal. Right. Now, we will recollect that topic with some more examples. Are you ready to recollect that? Yes. Now, we will see an example. Here they have given two numbers. One number is 26 and another number is 38. Among the two numbers, which one is bigger? Yes, we have to compare the tens place and find out the bigger number. Which one is bigger? Yes, 38 is a bigger number. Look into the pair of numbers. What are the numbers they have given? They have given 15 and 34. Among these numbers, we have to find the smaller number. Which one is smaller number? Yes, 15 is smaller number. The third example, they have given the two numbers. The first number is 25 and the second number is 25. When we compare the number, both the numbers are equal. So far we have learned about the bigger, smaller and equal numbers. Now you are going to learn about the biggest and smallest number. What is the difference between the bigger and biggest? Yes, bigger means we will compare the two numbers and we will find the bigger number. Here we are going to find the biggest among the numbers. That is, here they have given three numbers. Among the three, we want to find which one is biggest number and also the smallest number. So look into the numbers. What are the numbers? 20, 70, 90. Here 2 tens is less than 7 tens and 7 tens is less than 9 tens. So 2 tens is the smallest and 9 tens is the biggest. 20 is the smallest number and 90 is the biggest number. First we have to compare the numbers in the tens place. Let us compare the numbers which have same digits in the tens place. That is, here they have given 25, 23 and 26. Here the tens are equal. Yes. So we compare the ones. What it is? In 23, how many ones are there? 3 ones. In 25, how many ones? 5 ones. In 26, how many ones? 6 ones. Among 3, 5 and 6, 6 ones is the biggest and 3 ones is the smallest. So, 26 is the biggest number and 23 is the smallest number. Let us compare the numbers which have different digits in both the places. That is 25, 31 and 40. Though the digits in one's place are different, it has no significance in comparison of numbers. So, it is enough to compare the tens place. So, you have to compare 25. Among 25, how many tens are there? 2 tens. In 31, how many tens? 3 tens. In 40, how many tens? 4 tens. 4 tens is the biggest and 2 tens is the smallest. So, 40 is the biggest number and 25 is the smallest number. Here we will see some more examples. Circle the biggest number. Yes, you have to compare the numbers and circle the biggest number in each row. Circle the biggest number. First one. Here they have given the number 34, 35 and 39. The digits in the tens place are equal. So, if the numbers in the tens place are equal, we have to look into the ones place. See the 34, how many ones are there? 4 ones. In 35, 5 ones. In 39, 9 ones. So, 4 ones, 5 ones and 9 ones. So, which one is bigger? Yes, 9 is the biggest one. Right. So, which one is the biggest number? 39. Now the second one, 30, 80 and 50. Here the numbers in the tens place are different. So on seeing the tens place itself, you can come to know which one is biggest number. So among this, which one is biggest? Yes, 80 is the biggest number. Third sum, they have given 62, 54 and 16. You have to compare the tens place. In 62, how many tens are there? 6 tens. In 54, 5 tens. And 16, 1 tens. So, 6 tens is the biggest. So, the number 62 is the biggest number. Now, fourth one, 75, 57 and 76. Here you can see the 2-digit numbers are given and the two numbers are the tens place it is equal, that is 75 and 76. Right, among these two you have to find which one is bigger. Yes, automatically you have to see the ones place. So 75 or 76, yes, 76 is the biggest number. The fifth one, the sets of numbers are 41, 79 and 19. First you have to compare the tens place. 41, how many tens are there? 4 tens. In 79, 7 tens. And 19, 1 tens. Yes, 79 is the biggest number since it has 7 tens. Now we will circle the smallest number. Circle the smallest number. In the first one they have given 70, 20 and 10. First you have to compare the tens place. 7 tens, 2 tens and 1 tens. Yes. Which one is smallest? 10 is the smallest number. So you have to circle the 10. Next, the second one, 89, 82 and 85. See here children, the numbers in the tens place are equal. Then you have to see the ones place. So how many ones in 89? 9 ones. And in 82, 2 ones. And in 85, 5 ones. So which is the smallest number? 82 is the smallest number. And the third one is 35, 43 and 17. So first you have to see the tens place. In 35, 3 tens. And in 43, 4 tens are there. And in 17, only 1 ten is there. So which one is the smallest number? 17 is the smallest number. The fourth one is 59, 15 and 51. Yes, in 59, 5 tens and 9 ones. In 15, 1 tens and 5 ones. In 51, 5 tens and 1 ones. So, which one is the smallest number here? Yes, the smallest number is 15. And the fifth one, 91, 19 and 96. Yes, on seeing the tens place you can come to know. Here the two numbers having the same numbers in the tens place, right? 91 and 96. So another one is there. What it is? It is 19. How many tens is there? Here 110 is there. So automatically this number is the smallest number. Formation of 2-digit numbers. Take 2 sets of number cards. That is one set from 0 to 9 and another set from 10 to 90. You can choose one card from each set. That is from 0 to 9 you have to choose one card and 10 to 90 you have to choose another card. So only we can able to form a 2-digit number. Formation of 2-digit numbers without repetition of digits. Yes, let us consider the 2-digit number is 45. How we will form the 2-digit number 45? Yes, to form this number, we need to select the cards 40. That is 10 to 90. There is a set of cards, right? From this, you have to select the number 40 and another set of cards containing 0 to 9. From that, we have to select 5. Then we will get 45. Another one example also is here. What it is? We can form a 54. To form the 2-digit number 54, we choose the cards 50 from the 10 to 9 set of cards and 4 from the 0 to 9 cards. of two-digit numbers with repetition of digits. Let us take the example of forming the two-digit number 66. How we will select? You need to select the cards 60 and 6. Yes, 60 from the set of cards 10 to 90 and 6 from the set of cards 0 to 9. Let us practice some examples. Form different two-digit numbers using the number cards given below. Yes, see here they have given the number cards. In tens we have the three cards, that is 30, 70 and 90. In ones we have the six cards, that is 1, 6, 2, 3, 7, 9. We have to form the two-digit numbers with repetition of digits. Yes, in the tens place we have to write 30 and the ones they have selected a 3 from the ones place. So 30 plus 3, what the number, two-digit number we will get? We will get the two-digit number 33. The second sum, see here, we can select the one card from the tens place. So how many cards are there? There are 3 cards. Among the 30 we have already used. Now we are choosing a 70. Among the ones cards, I am selecting the number 7. So 70 tens, that is 7 tens and 7 ones. What is the number? 77. And the third one, among the tens cards, we are choosing 90. Among the ones card, we are choosing 9. So the number is 99. This is the formation of two-digit numbers with repetition of digits. Yes, in the tens place also the same number and in ones place also the same number. See another example, formation of two-digit numbers without repetition of digit. That is, in the ones and the tens place the number must be different. That is called a without repetition of digits. Yes. First one, what it is? How many tens is there? Yes, 3 tens. We have selected the card 30 and the ones is 1. So the two-digit number is 31. And the second one, we have selected the tens 70 and ones 2. So the number is 72. And the third one is, among the tens card, we have selected the number 90 and the ones card we have selected 6. So the number is 96. Let us see another example. Using the given numbers, form all possible two-digit numbers and complete the table. First one, they have given the number 9 and 2. We have to form the all possible two-digit numbers using the 9 and 2. So first one, 92, 29, 99 and 22. These are the numbers we will get from the numbers 9 and 2, 4 two-digit numbers. Among these 4, you have to find which is the biggest number and the smallest number. Yes, the biggest number is 99 and the smallest number is 22. The second one, we have given the number 1 and 7. Using this number, now we will form the two-digit numbers. Yes, 17, 71, 11 and 77. Here, the biggest number is 77 and the smallest number is 11. And the third set of number is that 8 and 3. Using the 8 and 3, we can form the two-digit numbers as 83, 38, 33, 88. Among this, 88 is the biggest number and 33 is the smallest number. The fourth one is 6 and 9. Using the number 6 and 9, we can form the two-digit number, that is 69, 96, 99 and 66. These are the 4 numbers we will get from this two numbers. Using the two numbers, we can form a 4 two-digit numbers. Among this, 99 is the biggest number and 66 is the smallest number. The next topic we are going to see is ordering numbers. For this, the illustration is given. See to this. Kavita arranged her toys in an order as shown below. Guess the order of her arrangement. Here, Kavita has arranged her toys. Guess the order of her arrangement. Yes, she has arranged her toys according to the wheel. So one wheel, two wheels, and tricycle has three wheels, and the last one is the vehicle having a four wheel. So she has arranged the toys according to a number of vehicle. The names of the things is given. We have to arrange it in a alphabetical order. What does mean by alphabetical order? Have you learned about the alphabets, right? So you know A to Z, right? You know the order A, B, C, D to Z. So you have to arrange the names of the things. You have to see the first letter of the names, and you have to arrange it in a alphabetical order. So here they have arranged as apple, ball, cap, doll, eggs, fan, gift. So it is in a alphabetical order. See here A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let us practice another example. Arrange the given things in alphabetical order and fill in the blanks. So here the names of the things are given here. You have to read the names and you have to check the first letter of the names, and you have to arrange it in a alphabetical order. That is in the order of A, B, C, D to Z. Arrange the given things in alphabetical order and fill in the blanks. Here they have given the names of the things. What is the first one? It's a kite, jar, eraser, cup, lock, gum, book, fish. You have to see the first letter of the things and arrange it in a alphabetical order. A is here. The starting letter is A? No. Next A. Next what it is? B. B is here, no? So book. C. Cup. D is here? No. E is here. So eraser. F. F is here? Yes, fish. G. Yes, G is here. Gum. G. H. No, H is here. I. No. And J. Yes, the starting letter of jar is J. So next you have to write J. Next alphabet what? After J, K. Anything's name is starting with K? Yes, kite is here. So you have to write K. Next to K what will come? L. Yes, anything name starting with L? Yes, it is a lock. Yes, this is a way of arranging the names of the things in an alphabetical order. Now we will see the ascending and the descending order. That is order of numbers. First we will see the ascending order. What does mean by ascending order? Yes, ascending order means arrangement of number from smaller number to bigger number. For example, 16, 17, 18, 19. So small to big. The next one is descending order. Descending order means bigger number to smaller number. You can see that it comes down 19, 18, 17, 16. That is getting down. That is a descending order. Bigger to smaller number. The ascending order is also called increasing order. Here you can see the bananas. The bananas are arranged by counts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is increasing. Okay, it starts from 1 and increasing step by step and it reaches 5. So the number have been arranged from the smallest to biggest. The order of arrangement is called the ascending order. The next one is descending or decreasing order. See the arrangements of bananas. Yes, you can see the 5 bananas it is kept at the first, and next 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, it is decreasing. It decreasing from the biggest to smallest. The numbers have been arranged from the biggest to smallest. This order of arrangement is called a descending order. We can see in another example. The oranges in the plates are arranged by counts. We can arrange the plates according to the numbers of oranges in them. So, first 5, 7, 9 and 10. What order it is? It is increasing or decreasing? Yes, it is increasing. They are placed in a ascending order. The next one, see here, 10, 9, 7, 5. The number of oranges in the plates is keep on decreasing. So, it is a descending order. Let us practice some more examples. See here, count the given things and write them in the boxes arranged in ascending and descending orders. First one, the cherries are here. How many cherries are here? Yes, 13. And the next one, it is 8. And the next is a 10. And the last one, how many cherries? 12 cherries. So you have to arrange the number of cherries in a ascending order. Ascending order means what it is? Increasing order. So smallest number to bigger number. Among 13, 18, 10 and 12, which one is the smallest number? Yes, smallest number is 8. Next to 8 is a 10. Next to 10 is 12 and the last one is 13. The smallest number is 8. It keep on increasing and ends with the largest, that is the biggest number. Next we will form a descending order using the same numbers of cherries. So descending order means biggest to smallest. Which one is the biggest number here? Is 13 is the biggest number. Next to 13 is 12 and next to 12 is a 10. At last what the smallest number? 8. So it is an decreasing order. Descending order means decreasing. Another example, here they have arranged the books in the 4 sets. You have to count a number of books in each set and write the column, and using the numbers you have to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Now you are ready to count the number of books in each set? Yes. In the first arrangement it is 10 books, and the second one there are 12 books, and the third arrangement there are 6 books, and the last arrangement it is counted as 8 books. Using the number 10, 12, 6 and 8, you have to arrange these number in ascending order first, next descending order. Now we will arrange in ascending order. So ascending order means smallest to biggest. So among this number, which one is the smallest number? Yes, 6, and next to 6 is 8, 10, 12. Now we will form a descending order. Biggest number to smallest number. 12, 10, 8 and 6. First we have arranged the things. We have counted the things and using that number we have arranged as ascending and descending order. Now they have given the number. We have to arrange this ascending and descending order. What are the numbers are there? 9, 5, 7, 3. So which is the smallest number? Yes, 3 is the smallest number. Next 5 and 7 and 9. Yes, ascending order means increasing. So we start from the smallest number and ending with the biggest number. Next is the descending order. Descending order is nothing but the reverse of ascending order. That is 9, 7, 5, 3. Biggest to smallest number. Arrange the given numbers in ascending and descending order. Here they have given the number 34, 67, 84, 27 and 49. To arrange the given numbers in ascending order, let us look at the digits in tens places. That is 34 3 tens, in 67 6 tens, in 84 8 tens, in 27 2 tens and 49 4 tens, and arrange them. 2 tens is the smallest among these, and next is 3 tens followed by 4 tens, 6 tens and 8 tens. So we can arrange the number from smallest to biggest. So the ascending order is 27, 34, 49, 67 and 84. So using the same sets of numbers, we can arrange it in a descending order. To arrange the numbers in descending order, we arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. That is, I already said you, it's the reverse of ascending order. That is, biggest to smallest. So 84, 67, 49, 34 and 27. Write the numbers in ascending and descending order. This is your practice sum. See the first sum, 12, 24, 35, 17 and 9. Second sum, you have given 39, 70, 40, 86 and 71. Are you ready to arrange it? Yes. First one, 12, 24, 35, 17 and 9. The smallest number is 9, followed by 9 is 12, 17, 24 and 35. That is smallest to biggest. The same thing in the reverse order. That is 35, 24, 17, 12 and 9. It's a descending order. Now we will see the second sum. The ascending order of these numbers are 39, 44, 70, 71, 86. It is increasing, and using the same number you have to form a descending order. That is 86, 71, 70, 44, 39. Fill in the flower parts using given numbers only once. You have to use this number only once. So see here they have given the numbers 72, 17, 88, 15, 93, 10, 60, 53, 21, 44, 39, 78, 65, 49. First sum what they have given. Write the ascending order of numbers beginning with 21. It is very easy. They have given the smallest number is 21. So you need not to look into the before number. So you have to start from the 21. On seeing the number next to 21, which is the next big number, that is 39, 44, 49, 53, 60 and 65. Now we have to write the descending order of numbers starting with 88. Yes, it is clearly given that the biggest number is 88. So you have to write in a decreasing order, that is descending order. So let's start arranging this number in a descending order. 88, 78, 72, 65, 60, 53 and 49. Now we are going to see another topic, that is number names. We already learned the number names from 1 to 20, right? Yes, now you have to count and write the number and the number name for the given aquatic creature. So see here, first one is a fish. How many fishes here? 8 fish. The number name is 8, E-I-G-H-T. And the next one, how many sea horses here? Yes, 12 sea horses here. So the number name is 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. And the third one is starfish. How many it is? It is 15 starfishes. So 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N. And the next one is tortoise. How many tortoise is here? 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. The last one is octopus. There are 10 octopus and you have to write the number name 10, T-E-N, 10. So let's recall the number words. O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, E-I-G-H-T 8, N-I-N-E 9, T-E-N 10, E-L-E-V-E-N 11, T-W-E-L-V-E 12, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14, F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15, S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Now we are going to read the number names of tens, that is 10, 20, 30, 40 till 100. Now we are going to learn. Are you ready now? Yes, first one is 10, T-E-N 10, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20, T-H-I-R-T-Y 30, F-O-R-T-Y 40, F-I-F-T-Y 50, S-I-X-T-Y 60, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70, E-I-G-H-T-Y 80, N-I-N-E-T-Y 90, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. Number name from 21 to 30. To learn to write the number names from 21 to 99, first we shall familiarize number names from 21 to 29. As we know the numbers 21, 22 and so on up to 29 all have two tens and different ones. These numbers are formed by adding 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9 with 20. Hence, we shall write the number name as 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23. So, up to 29. And you know that is a 30. Likewise, we can write the number names for numbers up to 99 using the above example. Practice. Write the number name for the numbers in the sports t-shirt. See here, first one what the number it is? 8, 4. 8 tens and 4 ones. So 80 plus 4, what it is? 84. Next one is 19. 1, 9. 1 tens and 9 ones. And the third one is 9 tens and 1 ones. Are you ready to write the number name for these t-shirts? The first one is 84. E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 F-O-U-R 4 84. And the second one is 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. And the third one is 91. You know the spelling of 90, right? N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 O-N-E 1 91. Students, so far we have learned about the comparison and formation of numbers, ordering of numbers and number names. Friends, hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.